Hi guys, Andrew again. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and pack away the custom LeisureTech compact rooftop tent. The compact LeisureTech rooftop tent is a very good option for those who need roof rack space but still want a hard shell roof tent that you can leave bedding inside. Let me show you how it works. Because I'm a bit short, I use this little step. You pull the two R clips out on either side. Latch open, latch open, push the roof up, pull the elastic down so that it's out of the way. The step ladder in the right place. To get the spring poles out, they're hinged underneath, unclip them and remove them. Into the eyelet on top, and then into its channel. You can do it the other way around and put it into the channel first, and then into the eyelet on top. And there you have it, all set up and ready to go camp. Couple of nice features with the compact LeisureTech tent is it has bags on the back section of the tent. That's good for storing books, magazines, shoes, underwear, socks, whatever. And it has 12 volts in the tent, so there's a light above your head and a charging socket as well. If you want these to be live when you rent the tent, just let the booking agent know and we'll make sure we have the correct fittings for you. So finished camping now, time to go home, but we need to pack up. So, first job, take the spring poles out. Put them back in their place, slide them in and clip it in, slide it in, clip it in. Start with the ladder, make sure all of the rungs are unclipped. Let him fold down in his place. Get my little step ladder. Elastic back up to pull the covers in. Pull the lid down. Make sure, like with all the other roof tents, that all of the canvas is tucked in. Get to the bottom, loose the latches, clip them closed. And there you have it, the custom LeisureTech compact tent set up, packed away. Nice, neat, compact solution with a hard shell. Enjoy, cheers.